Respected principals, beloved teachers, fellow students, our dear parents, I am Kendra Ayana Macanino, a graduating grade 6 student and moving up to the 7th grade level. Just like every graduating student, I too am thankful that we have finished our primary grades and excited to embrace our next level of learning. As I look back in the past, I see myself playing with my cousins happily and carefully. Then I learned reading and writing when I entered kindergarten. All activities in school were exciting. You learn while playing and you play while learning. But the following years is much different. No more playing and it is only reading, writing, and counting. But a lot more subjects were introduced to us. Subjects which brought us to a bigger and wider scope of our daily life. Subjects which were taught to us by never-tiring teachers and counselors. But with my will to learn, I successfully finished the 6 years, and now, here I am ready to take off and experience the next part of my student life. Today, fellow students, let's prepare for the next 7 years of our studies. I'm sure with the help of God and our will to finish, we will accomplish and advance to the higher and complicated bulk of learning, which will eventually lead to the ambition we all aim for, to be a professional and successful element of the society. Lastly, I would like to give thanks to the following people who in the past 6 crucial years have done tremendous sacrifices just to deliver to us what we ought to know and learn. God Almighty, to my mama, thank you po sa lahat ng binigay niyo po sa akin para po mapag-aral po ng mga mabuti. To our school management and faculty, our school director, Reverend Oscar Pimenez-Tas, thank you po. Our school registrar, Mrs. Melanie Balmori, thank you po. My starting teacher, Teacher Josephine Pinay, my advisor, Teacher Robert Suway Baguio, Teacher Grace Valebio, Teacher Maria Lopera, Teacher Trisha Mirabel, Teacher Isabel Caballos, to all of you beloved teachers, thank you.